Hello, I am Neela Christian from AceVacuums. Today I'm going to talk about central vacuum attachments. 1. What is the main floor tool shown in the video? That is the Turbocat Powerhead. It is an air-driven brush, meaning it doesn't need an electric motor or cords to spin. It uses the powerful suction of your central vacuum to spin an internal turbine, making it the best choice for homes with standard carpet and area rugs. 2. Does the hose in this video work with any wall inlet? Yes. The black hose shown is a straight suction hose. Because it doesn't have electric pins, it is compatible with almost every universal 1.5-inch round wall inlet and most older NuTone rectangular inlets with a simple adapter. 3. Why are there both metal and plastic wands in this set? We included a Chrome Telescopic Wand for your main floor cleaning. It adjusts to your height so you don't hurt your back. The black extension wands are lightweight and perfect for high-reach cleaning, like reaching spiderwebs on vaulted ceilings or cleaning ceiling fans. 4. What is that small white brush at the bottom of the screenshot? That is the premium hard floor tool. It features soft, natural bristles designed specifically for hardwood, tile, and stone. Unlike a standard vacuum, it won't plow crumbs forward. It sucks them up while gently dusting the floor. 5. I see a smaller version of the Turbocat on the right. What is that? That is the handheld mini turbo tool, often called a rug rat. It uses the same turbine technology as the big head but in a compact size. It's the secret weapon for cleaning carpeted stairs, car interiors, and pet hair off upholstery. 6. Is the hose shown in the video easy to store? Absolutely. This is a high-flow crush-proof hose. Unlike the old-fashioned rigid hoses that kink and stay bent, you can step on this hose or wrap it tightly on a hanger, and it will always return to its original shape. 7. How do the attachments stay on the wands? This kit uses a friction fit system. The tools are tapered so that they wedge onto the wand for a tight, airtight seal. This ensures you don't lose any suction power while moving from the floor to the baseboards. 8. What is that long, skinny white tool? That is your crevice tool. It's designed for high-velocity suction in tight spots, like between sofa cushions, under the refrigerator, or along the edges of the baseboards where dust tends to settle. 9. Why are there two different round dusting brushes? One is a soft dusting brush for delicate surfaces like lampshades and picture frames. The other is a stiff bristle brush, which is better for scrubbing dust off of window tracks, sliding door rails, or AC vents. 10. Can I use this Turbocat kit if my house has thick shag carpet? Air-driven tools rely on airflow to spin. If you have extremely deep, plush, soft carpets, the head may seal too tightly to the floor and stop spinning. For those specific carpets, we usually recommend an electric powerhead kit instead. 11. Does this kit help with pet hair? Yes! The high-speed agitation of the Turbocat and the mini turbo tool is specifically designed to pull stubborn pet hair out of carpet fibers and upholstery where standard suction-only tools often fail. 12. How do I know for sure if this kit fits my system? Visit or call AceVacuums.